So we're bringing today a new car for the GT4 series around the world. So we have a great new car, lots of more performance, better handling, and just an overall more racy package for our customer. And we are really proud to present that one here today. So when we started thinking about next generation of GT4 car, we obviously look at our model line and what we will have available. And for us, at some point it came naturally to do the next step, to go into the 911 model line, as this car is based on our 911 Cup car.
Porsche is opening an exciting new chapter in customer racing with the introduction of the all-new 2027 Porsche 911 GT4 R. For the first time, the company's GT4 race car is based on the legendary 911 instead of the Cayman, giving racers a machine that shares even more technology with Porsche's higher-level competition cars. The move marks a major change for Porsche motorsport. Since 2016, the Cayman has represented the brand in GT4 racing around the world, earning an impressive reputation for reliability and performance. Now Porsche believes the iconic 911 platform offers an even better foundation for drivers looking to move up through the motorsport ranks. At the heart of the new 911 GT4 R is the same naturally aspirated 4.0-liter six-cylinder boxer engine found in the Porsche 911 Cup race car. It delivers 512 horsepower and 362 pound-feet of torque, giving teams a powerful and proven package that has already demonstrated its capabilities on racetracks worldwide. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed sequential transmission operated by steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, allowing drivers to make lightning-fast gear changes without lifting off the throttle. Although the new GT4 R shares much of its engineering with the successful 911 Cup car, Porsche has made several important adjustments to comply with GT4 regulations and improve versatility. The race car uses wheels that are 1 inch narrower than those on the Cup car and switches to a traditional 5-bolt wheel mounting system instead of the center lock setup used in higher-level racing. Suspension tuning has also received significant attention. Teams can adjust the rear wing through 11 different positions to balance downforce and straight-line speed, depending on each circuit. The suspension includes 3 selectable spring rates, along with dual adjustable dampers, allowing engineers to fine-tune the car for different track conditions and driving styles. Inside the cockpit, Porsche equips the 911 GT4 R with modern racing technology designed to help teams gather valuable performance data. A large 10.3-inch color display provides essential vehicle information, while an integrated data logging system and built-in global positioning system functionality allow engineers to analyze every lap in detail. The new race car carries a price of $375,500 in the United States, including import and delivery. While it represents a significant investment, Porsche is targeting professional customer racing teams looking for a competitive and durable platform that can perform throughout an entire racing season. Fans will not have to wait long to see the new machine in action. The 911 GT4 R is scheduled to begin competition in 2027, taking part in the International Motorsports Association Michelin Pilot Challenge and the sports car racing organization Pirelli GT4 America Championship. These series feature some of the most competitive GT4 racing in North America and will provide an ideal proving ground for Porsche's newest customer race car. Porsche says the decision to bring the 911 into the GT4 category also creates a smoother path for drivers progressing through its motorsport ladder. Because the GT4 R shares much of its technical DNA with the 911 Cup car, teams and drivers can transition more easily between championships while becoming familiar with similar vehicle characteristics, engineering systems, and race procedures. With decades of motorsport experience behind it, Porsche continues refining its customer racing program rather than standing still. The arrival of the 2027 Porsche 911 GT4 R signals a new era for GT4 competition combining the heritage of the iconic 911 with modern race engineering to create what could become one of the most sought-after customer race cars on the grid.